In this video, I'll guide you through how to find event count in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to see how many times your events are firing on your site or app. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to your Google Analytics 4 property. If you have multiple accounts or properties, double check that you've selected the correct GA4 property from the property selector at the top so you're looking at the right data. Once you're in the correct property, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Today, I'll show you how to get to the reports area because that's where we'll add the event count metric. In the left sidebar, click on reports. This is the main reporting hub in GA4 where you can view traffic, engagement, monetization, and more. After you click reports, you'll see a few options expand underneath. One of the first things you'll notice is the report snapshot. This is a kind of overview dashboard that shows a high-level summary of how your website or app is performing. Go ahead and click on Report Snapshot. This page is customizable, which is exactly what we're going to use to surface the event count metric. Once the report snapshot finishes loading, look towards the top right corner of this report. I'm going to walk you through how to customize this view. You'll see a small pencil icon there, which stands for Customize Report. Click on that pencil icon. This opens the report customization panel, allowing you to change what metrics and dimensions you see in this snapshot. When the customization panel appears, you'll notice several options for editing the report layout, dimensions, and metrics. For what we want to do, we're going to focus on the metrics section. I'll show you the easiest way to add event count here. Look for a button or link that says Add Metric and click on it. This opens a searchable list of all available metrics you can add to this report. Now, a new search field or list should appear showing different metrics like users, sessions, engagement time, and so on. To quickly locate the one we care about, use the search bar at the top of this list. In the search box, type event count. This filters the list so you don't have to scroll through every possible metric. You should now see a metric labeled event count. Once you see event count in the filtered results, click on it to select it. By doing this, you're telling GA4 that you want event count included as a metric in this report. After you've selected it, you may see it appear in the list of chosen metrics for the report. At this point, you can usually save or apply your changes, depending on the options shown in your interface. After saving, your report snapshot will now include event count as one of the metrics. From here, you'll be able to see how many times events are triggering over your selected date range. If you want more detail, you can later apply different filters or explore other reports in GA4, but this simple customization is often enough to get a quick overview of your event activity. That's all you need to do to find event count in Google Analytics 4 using the report snapshot customization.